Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to hide apps on iPhone. So the first method is using screen time restriction. For this, go to settings, tap on screen time, tap on privacy, content and privacy restriction, turn it on. Now tap on load apps and features. Select the desired age limit for your app. Tap on apps and select your desired age limit. For example, I want to keep it 12 plus, so select it or anything, and now the hidden apps will be inaccessible. The second method is to remove app from home screen. Long press on any app, for example this game Brawl Stars, and simply tap on remove app. Now it will not be accessible in your home screen. So to unhide app, using simply reverse this step. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.